What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a sticker mod. So as you can guess, this is our channel name and we're finally getting huge enough to put it on our cars.
Thanks for the support.
Yep, because we're car guys now. We're gonna do the same with Tim's car right there. But I'll be the guinea pig. So let's see.
I make him mess up first.
So let's see how we do it. We have our tape here. Tape measure is recommended. And then a squeegee just to kind of put the letters up here. So first we put the tape down for reference. We have it stuck on. We have the YouTube logo stuck on there too.
Thanks a lot. Anyway, so yeah, basically what we did is we measured from this side the same amount of space for that
There's
side.
3 inches here and then 3 inches off there. So now Tim knows better than me. I mean, we saw the same video, but I think we peel off the back.
Yep, you peel off that whole side up until that middle tape. And then you're gonna cut the backing. So there's 3 layers. There's the sticker, there's the back piece of the sticker, which does not stick.
So, I don't know.
Yep.
Is this right?
Yep, that's right. So you wanna make sure all the letters are with on that, and I can hold that for you.
Thank you.
And now you should get the
Oh, scissor. You're saying cut this?
Nope, no. Yes.
Wait, I want to make sure. There. Yep. And then. Okay.
Now you're going to soap and water.
It's like putting on window tint. Okay, and then kind of put it right over it. Just like that.
I think so.
Yeah. Man. So we're gonna squeegee the water out as best as we can. Maybe a credit card would work better.
Yeah, try it. This could be a life hack.
Christmas.
Is it working any better? Probably not.
Maybe not. I guess let's try the other side. Just like, let's get it all on there, you know? And having the water kind of helps because you can just adjust it easily. Focus in. Yeah, see, it's kind of easy. So,
I hope it sticks.
I'll take that squeegee.
Look, you can't reach it.
So, yeah.
It's moving.
It is?
Yeah.
A lot?
Yeah.
Are you joking?
I was, but now I'm not, now that I'm holding
I don't
it.
know if you were joking for the fans or...
Nope, I was serious.
Because I took out the tape, so I kind of lost my reference, but it should be okay.
I still have the tape over here. We're about less than a centimeter off. Make sure you get that eye at the top too.
Alright, yeah, I think we can let it go. And just from here, it looks like super good.
Dude, it looks really good.
It looks so good.
Now you have to peel the...
Now I just want to... What if we put the heater on?
Yeah.
I don't know if that works.
That probably works. Cold start, Subaru Impreza. Whoa.
Alright, we'll have it on. This is our blow dryer working right now. The back defrosters. And maybe I can just put this on.
So you got the sticker off.
Well, Tim got it.
No, he did.
So, I don't know. I guess I'm just...
Now you just fold the paper upwards.
Oh, like
That way
this?
you can still have...
Halfway?
No, the whole way. That way you can still have your reference. Keep going. Yeah, now you can see the middle of the tape. Where it
Oh, let
should
me
be.
see again. So, peel off, and then like that.
Let me see. Yeah.
Cool. All right. No way, it's on there.
Forever. No turning back now.
Yeah, I know, it does look a little higher than I wanted, but it's okay.
Dude, that looks really, really good. People, When you see this, subscribe.
So now we just gotta remove this somehow with that.
Is it working?
I mean, I could do it probably. Oh yeah, you know, I think it works better if it's totally dry.
Okay, so we'll leave it for, maybe we'll do mine?
Okay, yeah,
Let's do it.
Now Tim's doing it on his car.
Dave is much more handy than me.
No, we're both handy. If you like amateur type car stuff, here it is.
Also, I think like 98% of you guys that are watching this are not yet subscribed. So subscribe.
Look at this graph. See? A lot of you aren't subscribed. Subscribe.
And support us.
Alright, now it's time for the peeling process.
She said do it like 90-degree turns, remember?
Oh, okay.
Like from the angle, so like the top.
Oh, you're right. Oh, jeez. I don't want it to be wrinkly.
We just leave it like this.
Maybe this video needs another day.
That side came off good. Yeah, now it's coming.
Oh, jeez. What's up, guys? Next day here, and we got the hair dryer going for about 15 minutes. And you can see the air bubbles are starting to form, so I think that's a good sign that each letter is gonna kind of let off one by one. So maybe this is what you want to see, and I'm gonna get started and trying to peel it off. So it's working out pretty good so far. My technique I'm doing is I'm holding down the letters while pulling on this paper to kind of make sure the letters stay. Alright guys, so here's the final product. It turned out pretty good. From afar, it looks really nice. What really helped me was using the hairdryer while peeling the paper back. It like melted all the letters away and it just like stayed right on the window, so that helped a lot. But yeah, you can see here if you look up closely, there's some air bubbles and stuff, but I mean, nobody's gonna come that close. But yeah, other than that, from afar it looks nice. And if you like this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and tell us what you think. And just like that, AVI out.